I love a good linen set for summer, but they can be pretty pricey. I recently made my own using Simplicity 9270, and I gotta say, it turned out even better than I expected. So today I'm sharing how I made this two-piece set using Simplicity 9270, what I liked about the pattern, a few things I would change the next time, and yeah, all the things. So let's get started. Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and today this is the pattern in question. It's Simplicity 9270. This is the one I'm talking about. The reason I chose this pattern is to get the kind of look and feel that I ended up with. This pattern, it's got the long pants or the short sleeve or the, I think, 3/4 sleeve top and the short. So it's versatile enough and easy to sew, but that's the kind of feel that I wanted. Is I wanted to use some linen that I'd already bought online, and I bought it specifically for something like this, just to get a easy breezy summer put together look that's also classic and more timeless than a lot of other things. So that is why I chose to use that pattern. Now the fabric options for this particular pattern say cotton blends, double gauze, linen and linen blends, poplin, rayons, tencel. Those are the options for this. This one looks like it's in a double gauze fabric. I chose the linen because I actually don't have a lot of linen. I know linen is easy to work with and it's easy to wear. What I got is, it's actually 100% linen and it is washable. So it washed and dried just fine because I pre-treated the fabric ahead of time. But yeah, I love this look. This pattern, super easy, and I would probably make the longer sleeve one for the fall because that's just a perfect kind of a still relaxed but classic look that's very comfortable. Making the pattern for the fall, I would probably use something like more of a golden color. I think I actually have some golden colored linen, or I would do more of a moss green. I have a picture I can show you, something like that, but it's still going to give that same kind of a look and feel. As far as the construction of the garment is concerned, the shirt has no bust dart, so that was interesting, and honestly I didn't even realize until I was almost done. So that's something a little different. Then it's basically just putting this together. It's fairly easy. The front facing is the only other thing to tell you about. That actually didn't come up to the shoulder seam. Like you have your front where you have your buttons and your buttonholes where obviously those pieces meet, and then the front facing normally continues to the shoulder seam. It didn't, so it was too short. So I ended up using some stitch witchery and basically gluing that down to the front, but you really can't tell when you look at the shirt. I've never had that issue before. Also, with my shirt, I only did a hem of 5/8 of an inch because when I did my fit check that I always do, I liked the length of it, so I didn't want it to be too short. You're supposed to use 1 1/4 inch hem. I think it's the perfect length the way it is. Like I said, I only did a hem, turned up a hem of 5/8 of an inch on the shirt, and that was at the bottom hem. The sleeve hem was fine. I believe that's 1 1/4 or whatever. That was fine. No issues with that at all. As far as the pants are concerned, they do have pockets in the pants. They are pretty standard. If you've ever made a pair of elastic waist pants, it will be very easy to put those together. They have nice wide legs, elastic waist, pockets, all the just comfort that you would want in a nice summer relaxed type of set. Only other thing that I did as far as altering the pants is I raised center front seam on the pants. I could actually do it a little bit more. That is a standard adjustment for me. So that was the only thing I did before even knowing anything else. I went ahead and did that because I always have to do that. So that was done. But I really wanted something overall to be a neutral color because honestly, I don't have a lot of neutrals in my wardrobe because I have things like this that I've made. Now I've got the pants and the top where obviously I can wear them together or they can be mixed and matched with other things. And since it's a neutral, I can get a lot more use out of them. And that was also important as I'm building this wardrobe with more intention. The nice thing actually about this particular pattern is it only has 3 buttons. So that was another thing. And it doesn't matter whether it is the short sleeve or the long sleeve. There's only 3 buttons in the front of the shirt. So it's like really easy and quick to put together. So that was definitely a plus as well. I can already tell this is going to be one of those outfits that I reach for over and over again. That, for me, reinforces the value of sewing your own wardrobe. See you next time. Bye.